Meanwhile, Boeing shares closing higher today after news of a major leadership shakeup. CEO Dave Calhoun is going to be stepping down at the end of the year. The company's chairman won't stand for re-election, and the head of its commercial aircraft business will be replaced by Chief Operating Officer Stephanie Pope. That's a move our own Phil LeBeau asked outgoing CEO Calhoun about earlier today.
Stephanie's track record speaks for itself. She has been a leader in every position she's had. She has seen every part of the company. She has most recently led our global services business. It services both our military customers and our commercial customers every day, all day, taking calls, responding, doing the work. She has really differentiated herself.
Joining us now, Boeing analyst Douglas Harned from Bernstein. That's a pretty glowing recommendation, but is Stephanie Pope safe hands or perhaps the next CEO?
Look, Stephanie has done a great job, I think, at Boeing Global Services. I mean, margins have been great. The performance has been excellent. Moving into this role, running Boeing commercial airplanes, though, is a much more challenging job. So, we'll see. There's going to be a lot of learning there. It's manufacturing, design, a lot of operational complexity. So Stephanie's done a great job, I think, at BGS. And, we'll see how this all plays out in BCA.
Okay. What about Mollenkopf, the former Qualcomm CEO?
I don't know him, so I don't have a strong opinion one way or another. But I think the changes here overall, first of all, Dave Calhoun stepping in at the end of the year. For us, this was not a big surprise. I think it would have been unlikely for him to stay, say, 2 years. Originally, he planned to be in the job for about 5 years, which is the end of this year. So I think we're making a somewhat orderly transition. But for us, there are two big questions out there for the stock. One is, who is the next CEO? Mm-hmm. And we are not going to know that probably for a little while. And then second, can Boeing work through the quality issues on the MAX? And this is all going to take place. They have to have a plan delivered to the FAA in about 60 days. The FAA is monitoring them closely. So we also want to see that rate starts to step up, which would be an indicator that they actually are making real progress on the quality side.
Now, can you answer that second question of whether Boeing can work through the quality issues on the MAX without answering the first question on who the next CEO is going to be? Because it doesn't seem like these quality issues are going to get solved very quickly.
I think they can be addressed even without the answer to the first question. Obviously, that's an important one. But one of the challenges in Boeing, and I think any CEO, particularly coming from the outside, will have, is that it's a difficult company to penetrate. So if you look historically, most of the senior executives have been in Boeing for 20 to 30 years. And so the ability to go from the CEO level at corporate all the way down 3 levels or so to the line in Renton, working through the challenges that are real between quality assurance people, mechanics on the line, that's something that has to happen down in the trenches. CEO will be important for that, but they've got to be able to make that happen as well.
Yeah, reminds me of Intel with its operational issues where for a new CEO, they went to someone who had previously been at Intel already. Douglas Harned, thank you.
Thank you.